In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Google AdSense account. If you work with clients or teams across different regions, or you simply prefer seeing your earnings in a familiar format, adjusting the currency that AdSense uses in your reports can make your day-to-day tracking much clearer. This change affects how numbers are displayed in your reporting views, and it doesn't change how AdSense calculates your earnings or the currency used for actual payments. Think of it as a display preference to help you read your data more easily. Inside your AdSense dashboard, start by heading to the Reports area. You'll find Reports on the left-hand pane of the interface. Click it to open the reporting workspace. This is where all your performance metrics, revenue summaries, and chart visuals live. And it's also where the currency display can be adjusted. Once you're in Reports, look to the top right corner for the small gear icon. This gear represents the reporting settings. Click the gear to open the settings panel for your reports. This panel controls how figures are shown, including the currency that appears in your charts, tables, and totals. In this settings area, you'll see the option to change the currency. Open the currency selector and choose the currency you want your reports to display. Take a moment to pick the one that aligns with your accounting or the region you primarily operate in. After selecting, confirm the change if prompted. Your reports will refresh, and you should immediately see your estimated earnings and historical figures displayed in the newly chosen currency. Keep in mind that conversions are based on AdSense's reporting exchange rates, so totals may look different from what you're used to seeing in another currency, especially for past dates. That's really all there is to it. If you don't see the currency option, double-check that you're in the Reports section and that you've opened the gear icon settings in the top right. Also remember, this setting affects reporting visuals only. Your payment currency is managed separately in your payment settings and may be tied to your country or account configuration, so this change won't alter how you're paid. As a quick tip, consider noting your key metrics before switching currency so you can compare and make sure the numbers look right after conversion. And if the display doesn't update right away, give the page a moment to refresh. There you go. Simple, fast, and helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your AdSense reporting easier to read and share.